Tuntua siguro mga tao dito. Parang surprise talaga to.
Oy.
Tingnan mo na may sigawan, no? Grabe, oh.
Jasuti! Ano yun? Stelbuster! Fiona!
Ang luma, grabe.
SB19!
Eto, okay to. Tagalog to. Si JL to, eh.
Nagnining-ning! Alam ko rin yung panchat nun. Kala nyo?
Very good, ah!
Nini, bago ko. Ang dami nang sumasayaw sa
Oo. Galing!
Galing, ah.
Kasi mahirap ang idiretso yung Tagalog pag, di ba? Madalas malambot ang dating niyan kapag eh. Si Ju, ano? Yeah! Ang cute! Ang kakaliw! Ang galing! Naaliw ako!
Nakakatuwa, ano?
Ang galing! Yung pronunciation, naaliw ako! Taray!
You know, hold me back, hold me back.
Oh! Desperado. Oh! Yeah! Nakakaaliw naman tong performance na to.
Grabe, mega effort yan.
Oo, ang hirap niyan.
Binuo nila.
Grabe. Kasi yung choreography, yung lalo na yung pronunciation, may ano. Ganyan ang gawain ni JL kasi hindi yan lengguwahe yung Korean eh, di ba?
Nakakatuwa. Hashtag proud to be Pinoy.
Galing! Ah, pakahusay. Ang ingay ng audience to.
Oh, magpakilala muna tayo. Get in the zone, Fred! How we are, SB19!
Ibang grupo pala yun.
Ito na ang mahalyam.
So, how was it? Was it good?
Grabe yun.
It's our first time singing and doing a stage in Tagalog, and the process was...
Pero ano nakakatuwa, i-post ko lang nakakatuwa na talagang, kasi alam nila na parang nasa Pilipinas sila, tapos siguro ito yung so far, ito yung pinakamalaking audience sila. Nag-effort talaga sila na kumanta ng kasi syempre, yung lyrics kakabisaduhin mo, yung choreography, yung pronunciation, ipapolish mo. Diba, effort talaga
At saka hindi naman nila kanta yan eh. It's a one-time performance eh. So,
tapos dito mo lang magagawa yan. Kasi dito lang ma-appreciate yan. Kasi, kumbaga, okay, kung halimbawa may fan ng SB19 sa ibang bansa, pero kasi nandito yung sentro ng fans nila eh.
I'll be honest.
Super appreciated talaga.
Very good yun.
To be honest, guys, at first I'm actually worried as well. This is a totally different language for them. But to be honest, guys, it didn't really help them a lot because every time they practice, and then when I first heard them, I was like, are you guys Filipino? Like, you sound better than me, I think. So, it's not only because of me, but it's also because of the members po.